This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make simple creme brulee. First, gather your ingredients: 2 cups of heavy cream, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 5 large egg yolks, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures your custard bakes evenly. Also, prepare a water bath, which is crucial for a silky smooth texture. Let's get started on this delightful dessert. Now, let's create that luscious custard base. In a saucepan, gently heat the heavy cream with half of the sugar until it's warm, but not boiling. In a separate bowl, whisk the egg yolks with the remaining sugar until the mixture becomes pale and slightly thickened. Slowly, and I mean slowly, temper the warm cream into the egg mixture, whisking constantly to prevent scrambling. This step is key for a smooth custard. With your custard ready, it's time for baking. Carefully pour the mixture into individual ramekins. Place these ramekins into a larger baking dish, then fill the dish with hot water, creating a water bath that reaches about halfway up the sides of the ramekins. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes, or until the edges are set but the center still jiggles slightly. Afterward, chill them for at least 4 hours. Finally, the best part: caramelizing the sugar. Just before serving, sprinkle 1 to 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar evenly over the chilled custard. Use a kitchen torch to melt and caramelize the sugar until it forms a beautiful amber crust. Be careful not to burn it. Serve immediately and enjoy your homemade creme brulee. For more great tips and deals, including a fantastic book on personal finance, check the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.